Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change image on hover in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So we are going to add image change hover effect. On left side you see add element. So click on it and then you see multiple options. Now hover on box and then you see hover boxes. Now you see multiple style. Now select this style. So drag and drop anywhere you want in Wix website. Now you see hover box added and then you see some text. So you can delete it. So this is image. Also you see some border. So we are going to remove it. Now select image and then you see design. So click on it and then you see image frame design. You see button customize design, so click on it and then you see corner 0, you see shadow and then you see border. Now select and then you see opacity and color and then you see width 1. Now you see border line. Now make it 0. Now you see border line remove and then you see some spacing. Now you see image spacing 5. Now make it 0. Now you see border spacing 10. So you can set value according to your requirement. Now make it 0. So it's up to you. Now you see border line remove. So we are going to change image. Now you see change image button. So click on it. So you can upload image from your system or you can select image according to your requirement. Now select and then click on choose image. Now image change. So we are in regular. Now you see. Now click on hover. So click on it. So this is our hover image. Again click on it. And then you see design, so click on it. So we are going to change image, also remove border. Now you see customize design, so click on it and then you see border, so click on it. Now you see width 1, now make it 0. Image spacing you see 5, again make it 0. Now you see if you want you can change image, so click on it. So you can select image according to your requirement and then click on choose image. Now close. Now you see text, so click on it, right click and delete and then you see exist hover mode, so click on it. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now update done, go to website page and refresh the page and then scroll down. Now you see image. So when we hover on it, now you see image change. Now you see. So if you want you can add link also in image. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.